Si attorney, hirap ka sa subjects, sa language. Ako baliktad. I can speak German, Spanish, Waray, Cebuano, Ilonggo. I'm very quick with language. And sabi ko, how do you cope? I will tell you how I cope. I always say, hey, what you see is what you get. What you don't see is better. Because all of us, we want to be perfect. You know, parents want their children to be, you know, achievers, academics, and all of that. You know, all of us, I tried reading things. Selective reader din ako. Ganun ng ADD, di ba? Like you, sabi ko, sabihin sa'yo, ay, ADD ka pala. Ako baliktad eh. Pag sinabi sa akin, ay, ADD ka pala. Ay, talaga, ikaw hindi. You know, I'm saying, it's funny, but it's an attitude eh. You know, when I was, my advert, ito na yung ADD, ang dami pumapasok sa isip ko doon. IQ, EQ, tapos AQ. When will that stop? Diba? They keep changing it. So, you strive to be IQ, yun pala, kailangan mo EQ. You strive to be EQ, AQ pa pala. I was never making that a problem. In fact, my gift is, I had a very loving, caring parents. You don't know that until they're dead. Diba? The friends come here and say, oh, itong ginagawa ng tatay mo sa amin, itong ginagawa ng tatay mo para sa inyo. And I say, wow, talaga? Hassel, di mo lang ako napagpasalamat, diba? But, you know, yung adversity quotient kasi, nung maliit pa ako, pag pinapansin niya, pag sinasabi lang, bakit? Diba? Sabi ko, mas bakit? Oh, laro na tayo. I forget that. We play. You know, it's an advantage. Like, you know, pag sinabi, nangyari, sabihin sa akin yung guwapong artista, bakit mo? Sabi ko, ikaw, guwapo. Hirap ka maging bakit ako, pwede ako maging guwapo. Pagtanda mo, bakit ka na? Ako na yung guwapo. You know, things like that, it's a process of thinking. I'm grateful for that. Because I go back to my father, I always say loving. You know, my father was in the hospital. I was feeling for my mom. I was torn between going to Sagada and staying with my father who was dying. And sabi ng tatay ng nanay ko, just go ahead to Sagada. Sabi ko, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. And it's true. I never had the chance to go. Sabi niya, you know, your father will not mind it. He will be okay with it. In fact, you're the most okay among all of you. Yun ang sabi ng nanay ko sa akin. What does that make me? Diba? My brother would go up the stage every year, napupunit yung damit sa dami ng medalya. Ako, straight 75 ako. You know what my mother told me? This is funny, but this is true. Sabi kasi ng tatay mo, sabi ko, hoy, yan si George. Iyan ako nag-aalala, sabi ng nanay ko sa akin. Sabi ng tatay ko sa akin, huwag ka mag-alala dyan. Yan ang pinaka-okay sa lahat. Bakit hindi ako mag-alala? 75 lang ang dyan. Kaya nga huwag ka mag-alala. 75 all the way. Consistent. Mag-alala ka dyan sa kuya niya. Kasi ganito, chichiks, gano'n. So, I was so happy. So it really didn't matter if I was 75. What does that tell me? With all your questions and all our questions, it doesn't matter if we excel here. You know, if you are well loved, you are happy. When you are happy, you can do anything. And when you are well loved, you have your self-esteem, your self-worthiness. And a person with self-worthiness will be able to achieve anything. So I say to the parents, love your children. Immerse yourself in the moment. You know, my son is ADHD. Ako ADD lang. Elementary lang ako, siya graduate sa high school. He's working now. Cousin of this gentleman here. Pamangkin ko to eh. Not related by blood, by affinity. But somehow yung ADD yata may osmosis. My son goes to the office. Isang araw, naka-jacket, may nakatagod na, alam yung pistols, motor pistols na malalaki sa toilet. This guy is 25 years old. Goes to the office bringing that in another bag with 2 more guns. Me, I don't care. He comes home and said, Ama, he calls me Ama. My second calls me Papa, the third one calls me Itay, the fourth one calls me Herpan. I'm ADD, but I know who is calling me. I planned that. Comes home and said, Ama, you know what I did? Pari lang kami doon, no? Wala yung supervisor namin, so pari lang kami. Nakita kami ng security guard. Ano ginawa mo? Binaril ko rin siya. Tapos, hinirap niya yung isa, nagbari lang kami. What am I saying? I have been a person by faith who's broken the rules unintentionally, who has broken the natural laws unintentionally. But I look back and I look at all of this and I say, what can I tell you? What can I share? The bottom line is not academics, not EQ, not AQ. It's just being happy. If you can make your children happy, my youngest is with the Montessori Laren School. This is an inclusive Laren Montessori school. Sabi sa akin ng teacher, you know your daughter is a hugger. My daughter from Assumption is complaining about the teachers nila, bakit ganito, mga that. And I said, there's the difference. Your daughter is a hugger. Education should be a happy learning experience. I want my children to be happy kids because they grow to be happy adults. You have happy adults, you have a happy family, you have a happy barangay, you have a happy country. So thank you, God, for the ADD, because this ADD, as you said, thank God, is really a holy experience as far as I'm concerned, because I didn't want to enter Ateneo, they took me in. I failed the exams. My father approached them, nakiusap, and they said, okay, Mr. Nopier, siguro yung tatay ko, ADD rin makulit. Your son failed in math. Failed in math. We'll give him a chance. Remedial class, summer. If he passes math 11, he's accepted. I passed math 11. I'm accepted. The first time they have a student who was not enrolled, took remedial classes before being enrolled and was accepted. That, to me, is not the natural law. Okay, here is the punchline. So, the math 11 is the math 11 of the first semester. I take it again. I flunked. Explain that to me. So, by the way, first time I hear lawyer ADHD who's gay. I love that. Kasi mga obsessive compulsive ganito. Para mag PhD ganito. Iba, ang dami-daming terms ngayon, di ba? Ako gusto ko makilala yung ADHD na nymphomaniac na may amnesia. So many terms to learn, so I don't read. I feel people. I want to talk to people. I want people like you. You ask us. I will help you. We will help you. We help each other. Thank you.